Bodega Boys.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming to this press conference that we had to do in an emergency. I'm Eric Rizzo. You know me. I am the head of the Staten Island Postmaster agency. I would like again to say I am not Puerto Rican. You people need to stop tagging me in all these Daddy Yankees videos and stuff. I am a proud Italian. My skin is the color of turkey because I don't wear sunscreen and I like to be on the upper deck on the ferry.
Right.
That's neither here nor there. This press conference is about the egregious behavior of one Donald Trump, and only one man could talk to him. My man Salvatore, you know him. He is the Postmaster General of Staten Island. He's been ruling for 10 years before any of your junkie kids that were listening to Wu-Tang Clan, came over here and was selling pills. You know what I'm talking about. Sal, take it away.
Thank you. That was a marvelous introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to say one thing, and I want to make myself very clear. Staten Island has had your back from day one, Donnie. We had your back from day one, all right?
Day one.
We were the ones that donated to your goddamn campaign, and look at you. Yeah, we turned the other, you're spitting in our face. You're spitting in our faces. Listen, every summer, when it goes above 60 degrees, my favorite thing to do is break out my mail carrier shorts. There is 4-inch inseam. They show off my marvelous games that I got in Vietnam. And you know what? I'm sick and tired of this bull crap, all right? You're talking about defunding your closing mailboxes. I go to the mailbox to pick up the mail. The thing has a fucking red tape on it. What am I supposed to do? Huh? Yeah, listen, you're ruining everything. First it was the fucking hip-hop stamps. They came out with the hip-hop stamps there, all right? I had a little, I felt a little way about that. But hey, listen, I've been doing this since the Pony Express, pal. You can't shut us down. Us and the rest of the mail carriers union rebuke you, Donald Trump, all right? The real reason of doing this thing here is to inform you, assholes, that while you could go on the USPS.com or .gov website and buy some things, or maybe you stop into a goddamn post office if it's open, all right? And maybe show your face, cover your face, and respect, and you stand at the door and you salute your mail carriers, all right?
Tell him, Sal. You tell him.
Leave a $10 bill in your mailbox if you really fucking care about us, all right? We're putting our lives on the goddamn line.
Post.
That's right.
Post.
Yeah.
Post. USPS. Yeah. That's right. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Man, I'm so deliver some shit. Yeah, let's go deliver. Man, I'm psyched up for my beer league softball game tonight, man. I can't wait to hit a fucking single and slide into first base. Listen, this is episode fucking 215 of the motherfucking most dangerous podcast in the world. I dare you to not sing along to the AKAs. They're magnificent. And fuck Donald Trump. You know what? I said it. You know what? Now. Yeah. The lady in the car talking to the Trump 2020 motherfucker. You know what? Fucking go fly a kite, you dirty. You know what? I'm gonna get off the mic before I get myself in trouble. But you know what? Peace, love, and not a sauce. All right? I'm out of here. 215. South of Luca. Remember the name. Motherfuckers. Bro. Tell him.
Do the fucking drop.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Do the drop.
Yeah, bro. You tell him, Sal.
Yo, Sal's not playing.
Sal's fed up.
He's fed the fuck up. He's been doing this for years.
Sal sounds like Faith Evans when she was with a Tribe Called Quest. I really know what it feels to be stressed out. You know what it is? Episode 215 of the most illustrious podcast. You know what it is? All the way live from the 215. Shout out to all my Philly heads out there. Shout out to Questlove. Shout out to the Root. Shout out to Black Thought. Shout out to Petey Crack. Shout out to State Property, Beanie Siegel.
That's right.
Major
and very
figures.
importantly, rest in peace Malik B, the M Militant.
You know that. You're shout out to Black Lily. Shout out to Jaguar White. Shout out to everyone out there. But, we're bringing it back to New York City.
Yeah.
The most dangerous podcast in the world. The only podcast that has been asbestos free for 4 months in a row. That's right.
That's
you
right.
are listening to the Bodega Boys.
You're very
215. Also, not to be confused with East 215 in New York, which in the Bronx, which isn't that much of an amazing block, but it's also just a general Bronx block. Shout out to the BX41 that runs by it. You know?
It's a chill block, you know what I'm saying?
Shout out to my Albanians out there.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to, niggas with names like Laser and fucking Frokai. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to you. You know what I'm saying? I respect it.
The show Laser Wolf was actually based on an Albanian deli key.
Named Laser.
A lot of people don't know that. Yes.
A lot of people. Listen.
Wolf was spelled with a J.
Yeah. Who knows? But that's the Albanian alphabet for you. You know what I'm saying? It's special.
That's how it goes. This is just how it goes, man. I don't know what to say, you know?
Straight up.
As always, sponsored by Cash App. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Cash App.
Yeah, baby.
Who tips money in your Babylon thing phone.
Yeah.
Okay? And you people are like, how does Cash App work? Cash App, there are people at Cash App that physically force money into a phone. You take your phone, at the bottom where you charge it, Cash App chops the money into microscopic particles like cocaine. Yeah. And then forces the phone after hours to snort some.
A lot of people don't realize it's like spores, like on a mushroom. You know what I'm saying? Like they just release spores into the air, and that's how the shit happens. A lot of people don't realize that. You know what I'm saying? Cash App is ahead of the game. You know what I'm saying? They're using biotechnology. And niggas is not using biotechnology.
Cash App takes your phone, might take you out for a couple drinks. Like, let's do some shots. More shots, bro. Then, your phone's like, I gotta go to work tomorrow. It's like, no, you work from home. It's no big deal. We're not even quarantining. And then Cash App hits you with the new line that people hit you with now in these coronavirus-laden streets. They're like, don't wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow might never come. We have to party today. And you're like,
it's right now. I'm just like, yo.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
I'm not going outside. Fuck out of here.
I'm like, you know what? You know what? That would be a fantastic sample for a house record. And then next thing you know, you have the #1 house record. But are you going to stay inside? Or are you going to enjoy your fame while it's out there? Because who's to say, what if you stay inside and then, you miss out on this house record fame and opportunity? And then, it passes, and then you do come outside, and then I guess because you come outside, you're taking a deep breath and get corona and die on the spot. I don't know. I've watched a lot of Netflix movies. That's what happens on those
Listen, that's what happens. And let me tell you something. I want you to open your third eye, B. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm about to penetrate it. Donald Trump tried to ban TikTok because, you know what I'm saying? If you ban TikTok, then all the fire dances that you were doing on TikTok, you'll be forced to do in public in large groups. You know what I'm saying? That's why he wants to ban TikTok. It don't got nothing to do with security. He just wants you out in the club dancing, spreading that Rona.
Okay.
Think about it.
That's
you know what I'm saying? It's a fuego take, you know what I'm saying? It's very rooted in reality. And not nothing I read on my auntie's Facebook at all.
That's big. That's big WhatsApp screenshot energy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
That's big.
Facebook is Facebook is a cesspool. Like it's so wild. Like I literally have not gone on in I want to say half a decade. Like I think the last time I went on, it was to be like, yo, Zayla's a girl, or some shit like that, and that was years ago. So, and I haven't been on since. And like I just like looked over like the shoulder of Heather while she was like uploading baby pictures to Facebook, and like I'm just like, yo, who is that? Why is that? Why are you friends with this person? She's like, I'm not friends with them. I know them from high school.
Yeah.
It's too much of that. You can't dub them. You know what I'm saying? Because then if you could is there a mute? I don't know shit about Facebook. I've been out of loop so long. Is there a mute on Facebook?
I don't know. I deleted my account a long time ago, which is great because then when people send you stupid articles, you're like, you should read this, and you had to hit them back like, I don't have a Facebook account. Sorry. Yeah. Or even better, like,
sorry.
you like canoodling with Russia? Sorry, can't relate.
Nah,
Whoa.
I can't do it.
Wow. Speaking of Russia, Donald Trump is thinking of pardoning Edward Snowden. That is fucking wild. That is wild.
Yo.
And then what's wild is because Putin wants a guy named Victor Bout that we have that was called spying here. So basically Putin is got Trump to do the wild swap, and then Trump's gonna be like, we won, and Putin's the only one that wins there.
Yeah.
Like, wow. Wow,
bro.
Bro.
Yo, Donald Trump is managing this country like he's the front office of the Knicks. Like this shit is real. Yo, fam,
oh my
he's
God.
just like, he's like, yeah, I'll trade you some virus for UV rays.
It's just me and you at like 9:55 putting up hashtag fire Trump. It's just like we in the guard like fire Donald. Fire Donald. This is egregious. Again, the crowd. Again, another sweet serenade from the Nick faithful as they say, "Fire Donald." The drum team is coming out. They doing mad fucking t-shirts to the crowd.
YG comes out at halftime like, "Yo, fuck Donald Trump."
They're like, "Why would you have him perform that?
Trump.
He's
like,
the
why?
coach. Why?
We're trying to drown out the chants. Why would you have him perform this? This is egregious.
Why we jest? If Donald Trump was the coach of the Knicks, there is 1,000% chance the Knicks organization would hire YG to perform "Fuck Donald Trump" because that's just how the organization works. No one would put two and two together and be like, "Oh, that's what that song's about." He just performing FGT. I don't get it.
No, I thought it was about feral dog troubles. That's what. And
it would even be a problem until YG changes the name to he changes it to "Fuck James Dolan."
Then they'd be like, "Oh, word? SJD? All right.
If he did that, I know for a fact James Dolan would have him shot dead by a sniper in the roof. Oh, yeah. I know that. I every game, James Dolan thinks about having someone at Madison Square Garden murdered allegedly, and he like every now and then he has to like whoever's next to him is like, please, yo, you got this. You don't gotta do this. Yo, big man, you got this. He's like, yeah, bro. I run this, bro.
He would get Donald Trump to shoot somebody on Fifth Ave, and he
could get away with it.
He could get away with it. Oh shit!
Damn.
Yo, man. Yeah, nah, man. That guy's who? I feel like somebody recently came out and was just like, yo, this guy is. I'm sorry, but this guy is really a bozo. Like somebody that was like
his niece.
His
Aaron
niece.
Trump?
His cousin.
Yeah.
Also, shout out to Robert Trump, who died yesterday. Donald Trump's brother.
Yeah, and my man was just smacking on the golf course. I'm like, yo, my mom calls you right now. I was like, yo, Tito died. I'm like, yo, episode 215, aka Planet Supernova, yo, holla, big man, yo, R.I.P. Tito, that's a real nigga, realest nigga ever live in life. Yo, he'll punch you in your face, shoot you in your neck, holla. You know what I'm saying? Martini's game for life. Peace. And I'm out of here.
You gotta listen. Sometimes it's hard to get a good tea time. Like, who told his brother to die on the day he golfs?
Yo,
like, listen, if I know a pair of fire sneakers is coming out and something happens to my sister, it's just like, yo, she gotta wait till 10:05. Like, that's just how the game goes, baby.
Nigga. I can't even make that joke, nigga. I could make that joke and hit the problematic light, and the girl will be like, okay, you hit the problematic light, nigga. Now it's time for me to hit you, fucking bitch ass motherfucker.
Oh, damn. Woo, damn. So I mean, and then you notice all the reports. They're like, they won't say what he died from. And so everyone's like, oh, he clearly died from COVID. And it's not. He died. He had been in and out the hospital because he fell and it was like some wild shit. And it's just like, it's like.
So basically like in a situation where you have an elderly family member that you'd be like, damn, let me take care of this motherfucker. I'm rich. Let me hold him down and get him like, the chair that goes up the handrail of the stairs and shit. But nah, that motherfucker's probably living in a fucking hovel while Trump was out here like, you know what I'm saying? Buying white polos to fucking.
Nah, he wasn't
golfing.
like. He's like, people were just like, oh, maybe he was like the good Trump. Maybe he was like benevolent. No, he was bad too. Like he did some, who is it?
He wrote the like, yo, don't let black people move into your buildings code in the Trump manifesto.
He proofread it when Trump wrote it. He was like, yeah, okay, hey, bro, put a semicolon here, bro. It makes you look better, bro.
Yo, you mad smart.
Yeah, bro, come on. No, there it is. Donald Trump, his brother Robert, and his sister Marianne. They all sound like they were on Gilligan's Island, but they weren't. Shit. They were here with a lawsuit from their nephew Fred III and their niece Mary in 20,000. It arose after Fred III's son was born with a seizure disorder known as infantile spasm. The family patriarch Fred Trump Sr. had agreed to pay for Fred Jr.'s family health insurance after he died in 1982. But the Trumps came together and acted in retaliation for them challenging the will because he died in 1999, and they laid out reasons why they shouldn't have to pay for the health care of their disabled infant great nephew William. Wow.
Yo.
They said that he didn't need 24/7 care, which they dismissed as expensive babysitting, dispensed his frequent seizures. Wow. It caused a deep rift between the Trump siblings and their niece and nephew. I mean, if you sue so my son can't have health insurance, listen, I'm not coming to the barbecue. I think Mero can agree with that. Like,
Yo, I'm like, yo, my man. Yo.
Relax.
Like, yo, fam. Like, yo, the kid's having seizures hourly? Like, he doesn't need 24/7 care? All right.
bro,
All
he
right.
needs bro, just essential oils, bro. Like, you don't need health care.
Yo, just put a ball gag in his mouth. He'll be all right.
Bro, put some peppermint oil on the diffuser. Like, I seen it on HBO. It'll work. Yo, what they talking about? He needs like an iron lung. Come on, that's big government there, bro.
Yeah, bro, they're trying to play you. They're trying to play you.
Yeah, don't listen to that, bro. Bro, anyway, you guys want to talk about QAnon? I mean, like, they got some good stuff going, and, you know.
Yo.
Also, me and Mero
man.
are proud to announce that because you guys are asking for merch, we have created something even better than merch.
Yeah.
The merch is cool. A t-shirt is cool, but it's just like, if you have the t-shirt on and someone doesn't know what Bodega Hive is, and they don't know the greatness of the t-shirt. So we are creating something new called Bodega-Anon. The same way QAnon has you guys running around looking for political scraps and thinking, it's the same thing. It is the same thing as me and Mero. We're dropping clips and clues all over the niggernet. You know, that's the real term for the internet. And, you know, we are just going to, okay, I have to hit the problematic. And
don't tell them, don't give them all the secrets.
And we're going to, listen, you're going to constantly have your third eye exposed. Me and Mero, we're going to tell you information that the government doesn't want to know, stuff Showtime doesn't want us to tell you, stuff Victor doesn't want us to tell you.
You know what
he
I mean?
cheats at Rocket League. He uses an aimbot. And like other things of that nature. So make sure to call 917-540-8971.
That's right, call it.
Call it, right? All right? And listen, don't tell anyone about this. Only me and Victor and Hasan. Hasan is cool, though.
Yeah,
but no one else
cool,
knows
cool,
about
cool.
this.
He's
so
not,
we
he
can tell
don't
you the
switch.
real deal. And we'll tell you about, like, if we did a Zoom interview and, like, if someone's camera fell and we saw behind where the Zoom interview was happening, if their house is wild dirty, or we could talk about which famous female celebrity we interviewed, and she had wild empty bottles of Jack Daniels on the floor by her bed, and if we told you, you wouldn't believe it, and, you know, it's just wild. Stacey Abrams. Nah, I'm kidding.
Stacey. Shout out to Stacey Abrams though, man. I fuck with her energy, B. Like she takes L's, but she keep it moving. Like, yo, fuck it. I don't care. I took an L. I'ma still keep banging. Fuck y'all.
She is the best because I forgot we did a show with Pod Save America. Shout out to them. And she was there and she came backstage and my cousin Tasha from England, she was visiting, just sitting there, and Stacey Abrams just had the wild conversation with her about like dreadlocks and shit. And my cousin was like, "Oh, she's nice. Does she work on your show?" I was like, "She could possibly be like running the country one day." Just let you know. Just let you know. She was like, "Oh, she's really nice." I was like, "Okay." Also, shout out to Antigua. Another mention. Apparently, we mentioned them on the show. We bigged up KFC in the Caribbean, and Antigua showed love. They would like us to come down there and do a show, and I'm like, chill. Chill. You don't need more American super spreaders coming down to your little island, okay? Also, anyone, if you're outside, you're a super spreader. I want you guys to make that a slur, okay? I want you to, like, every time you get to a fight or something, just end it under your breath like super spreader.
Fucking super
like
spreader.
That. This fucking super spreader. Just look at this shit full of super spreaders. Yeah, this used to be a nice block to all these super spreaders.
Yeah, all these super spreaders moved in with your fucking Postmates deliveries and shit. It's just spreading everything.
That. They love that. You know what it is? You see, it's like, hey, listen, it's like German roaches. You see one super spreader, that means there's 10 more you can't see.
Ugh. Disgusting. How dare you? Yo, listen. Yo, we negative, though. I just got my shit back. I just text Chuck today. Negativo. So, Antigua, you know what I'm saying? If you want to do that, all expenses paid, you know what I'm saying? No overhead at all whatsoever. You know what I'm saying? Just have your boys out there on stage, you know what I'm saying?
Negative for what, bro? Like, you gotta specify.
Everything. I was like, yo, can you swipe my ass too, my nigga? Like swipe my dick hole, all that shit. Like, make sure I'm good. Don't just chest Corona.
Bro, I caught like a disease from wearing hush puppies back in the late 2000s. So like, you know.
Oh shit, you got plantar fasciitis?
Bro, I got like hepatitis J.
Oh no!
It's named after Jay-Z. It happened after Change Clothes and Go, bro. Bro, what happened?
Yo.
Like, I did some reckless behavior in like the men's dressing room inside Express, and you know, those buttons, they button up, but they also button down, if you know what I mean. And like, you know.
Yo, man, that'd be the worst. Yo, if that was that would be, imagine that shit, bro. That would be the worst benign tumor you could ever have. It's like an express button-up shirt. Like, yo, this shit is not actually causing my body any harm. But
well, I mean, unless you wanted to wear something else. You can't wear the same shirt every day. You're not Simpsons character. Like, people gonna cook. Like, this nigga wearing the same shirt, and apparently it's also made of his actual skin.
Then you can be mad and be like, yo, it's a tumor. And niggas get mad and be like, and then somebody be like, yeah, that shit's benign though, nigga. That shit ain't even hurting that nigga. Fuck out.
You know what?
That's just basically a skin tag.
I don't know if yelling, but it's a tumor even like would get you any respect. Like if you were getting cooked on a New York City train.
Yeah,
like
true.
People like, yo, cook his tumor ass. You be like,
yo,
wow,
tumor.
Wow.
Fuck out of here, nigga. I got tumor. Then too much sauce, nigga. Fuck out of here. Your whack ass express button up, nigga. Shit's the triple XL. Fucking bozo, nigga. You just came home? You got locked up in 03?
This nigga got a tumor. I'm saying I had a tumor back in like 96. That was when we had real tumors, not these new shits. You know what I'm saying?
That bullshit ass tumors y'all niggas got. Y'all niggas got pussy tumors, nigga.
And then somehow the conversation turns to like how jails used to be rougher back in the 90s. I don't know why. So it's gonna be like, just the other day, I was just walking, minding my business, going to the store, and just a guy, just randomly, nigga was like, yeah, niggas is wild pussy now in what is it, in Ulster County. And I was like, the fuck? I was like, that's a very specific jail, my guy.
Sir,
like,
what?
Like, unless you've been there or unless you know someone who went there, you do not know about that jail. Like, at all. Like, my man, are you the Anthony Bourdain of jails? Like, I would like to watch that show.
Oh, shit.
Yo, it's Desus Nice and Kid Mero. Welcome to our new show, Visiting Niggas. For the National Geographic Channel. Today, we gonna go visit some niggas.
We on the VI. On the VI with my niggas.
But it's straight Anthony Bourdain. Shout out to recipes to the legend. It's straight Anthony Bourdain. We're meeting with the best chef in each prison. So while we talking, niggas is like chopping up sausages on top of like a toilet using a razor blade. Niggas just set the toilet paper on fire and heat the bunk bed and make just the best chopped cheese you ever tasted. You don't know where they got the cheese from.
This is amazing. Yo, Recipes Prodigy, that he's about to do that shit. Like he's about to do like a jail cooking show. Yeah,
jail cooking book.
Yo,
that would kill right now because people are bored. People are at home. I know it's not. There's two people who would buy it. There's like bored white people who have no chance of ever going to jail for real, and people who have been to jail and really found they can't get the same mwah outside. You know what I mean? Like, listen, the pizza slice I used to get in high school at La Jubo's. Listen, you can't go back, bro. Same thing about the cheese sandwiches in the Tombs, all right? Free tax don't, but he knows what I'm talking about. I think they changed the bread. I think it's ciabatta bread now, bro. Like,
yo, bro. It used to be focaccia. She used to be fire. Now it sucks, bro.
I got locked up the other day, and I was like, who the fuck is making these sandwiches? Allison Roman? Like, come on, bro. Like, what am I doing here? Bro.
He should say popping.
Bro, I got locked up. You know, I had to get a fucking fight. Like, I had to grab myself a juice press juice and like go underneath the bunk. Like, you know, shit had kale. Like, they're making us healthy in jail now. Listen, if you go to jail and they got pressed juices, stay in jail. Stay in jail because pressed juices are very expensive, my guy. Just take that charge.
Yeah, for real. Just take it, bro. You can't get pressed juice in mid-state.
Listen, me and Mero, we are running for prison comptroller, I guess. I don't know. What the fuck? We're going to remake prisons. So from now on, prisons are going to have pressed juices and ciabatta bread with what type of cheese? With your choice of cheese. Yo. Actually, no, even better. There's going to be an app. So you can order a meal to be prepared when you get in. Or even better, when you get locked up. Like, people don't realize a lot of the problems in prison is like you're stressed from intake. So we're going to give you a relaxing intake. You know,
like a spa intake.
A spa day. You know what I'm saying? A little steam room. You know a little pedicure, mani-pedi. You know,
I mean?
A little aromatherapy.
Yeah.
You know, shit like that. Wait for
some oil diffusers.
Okay, a little mud bath, maybe like a facial wrap. Listen, when you come out to see the judge, you are going to be mwah.
Like, yo,
shining. Like, yo,
you'll be like, yo, send me in.
They'll be like,
I loved it.
They're gonna be like, yo, how do you plead? They'll be like, over, bitch. Like, yes. The cops like, yes. They're like, did you read them their rights or help them with? I'm like, no, but I mean, there are no bags under his eyes, so Like,
yo, it's good, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
it's gonna be so weird. We're gonna be in bookings with Satra with like mad clothing options. It'll be like, you got arrested in an Under Armour ripped shirt. You cannot see the judges from that. Oh.
I mean, like, obviously, like, this is not Coxsackie. This is Otisville. Like, continuity people. Hello.
Satra, what are you thinking? I'm thinking maybe a cardigan. Maybe. Oh, you know what it is? His hair is dusty, but I want to give it something sophisticated, something that really uplifts the chest. Maybe a. You know what? Monique, can I see 2 Carhartt jackets? Make one. Ooh, gray. Yeah. I see that. And. Ooh, Mero, what are you thinking for sneakers? Boots? Durango boots?
Let's throw it back and get the Air Patakis re-released.
Oh, nice. Okay, even better. The Air
I have a pair of dead
Patakis.
stock.
Listen, I didn't want to have to do this. My guy Sakai is doing a pair of Air Patakis. It's double soled, double tongue. It's gonna be great. We're ready to go for it. Ooh, I love this. You know what? Oof. What's missing? Ooh.
A beanie.
A beanie? Ooh, even better, a Beanie Baby. Yes, put a Beanie Baby on his head. Yes,
a beanie with a Beanie Baby attached. Boom.
Someone call a new era, ask him to drop a line of BB Baby fitteds for MLB. I love it. Let's do it. All right, now what were you charged on? Oh, triple murder of infants? Oh, okay. All right, wow. Okay. Oh. Well, you know what? It's okay, because you slayed already, and you're going to slay again. They're like, oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Instead of going right to the judge, he turns down and walks down the gallery. I'm like, yes, turn, bitch.
Yes,
show off,
bitch.
yes, bitch.
Fuck it up, bitch.
Turn it up. Bad bitches only.
Yeah.
Naomi Campbell, who?
Yo.
Our new show coming to Quizby is called Night Court Fashion Show?
Night Court Fashion.
Night Court Fashion.
Night Court Looks.
Night Court Look, hosted by Chrissy Teigen. All right, we got it. There you go. That's the show right there. That's so. Shout out to Chrissy Teigen having another kid. Third kid, trying to catch up with Mero. They're coming for the throne. What you gonna do? What you gonna do, Mero?
I'm gonna cut the vas deferens in my penis and not compete. I retired. My jersey's in the rafters. Kristaps Porzingis' I won the All-Star game. Rookie challenge fucking banner. They just putting everything up in the garden now. Like, yo, Mero's retired his dick. They got my foreskin up there, nigga, hanging in the rafters.
I saw this next to the Billy Joel banner.
Next to the Billy Joel shit.
Yo, shout out to John out there leaving the inn. Okay, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
During quarantine too. He was savage. Wow.
That nigga knows what he's doing. He know what he's doing.
Chrissy's just there dreaming about pizza. Chrissy drinking about pizza and John just dropping that dick on her shoulder like, morning, baby. Morning, baby.
Hey, girl.
Welcome to my quarantine fantasy.
Just give me the green light.
It's just John coming out the bathroom naked, but he got a face mask on. I'm like,
oh, shit.
Ooh, that boy don't miss. Yeah, any celebrities out here that want us to narrate your sex life, let us know. It's a new show we want to do. It's the second we want to do on our show. So we'll just watch you and your partner have sex, and then we'll call it like an NBA game. You saw what we did with that MLB game. People said it was great. It was fantastic.
Fire.
Shout out to our virtual tour. Tickets still available on bodegahive.com.
You know what I'm saying? Go there.
I mean, I don't want to be factual, but some people said it was one of the best shows they've seen. Some people said it broke the depression they have because of coronavirus. Some people on the text, shout out to the text team, were just like, our energy level was unlike anything they have seen since the 80s, and by that they mean, wow, we are on cocaine levels.
Yes.
So, I mean, you want to check that out, baby? You want to check that out? So you want some of that. And that's what we do. We do virtual tours, and we do virtual narrations of your sex life. So if you want that, hit us up. It's like a cameo, but it's like a Susio cameo. A Susio.
Yeah. It's not as embarrassing as a cameo. You know what I'm saying? Right. Like, if you're not washed, if you want somebody not washed to narrate your sex life, holla at your boys.
And
you know
also,
what I'm saying? Otherwise, you're gonna get fucking Mayim Bialik from Blossom.
Yeah, we've all had those. We've all had those sessions where we did our Mookie bets. You know what I'm saying? 3 home runs. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes at the end, you just want to. Sometimes at the end, you have to come back to the bed because the crowd is chanting your name and they want the hat tip. They're like, "Derek, you gotta come out like."
You know what
I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
And so in a case like that,
tip your foreskin.
What are you gonna do? You just gotta go about your day like, oh, I have that memory in my head. Oh, that's great. No, get us to narrate that, and we will make the DVD for you, and you can show it at like Christmas. And it starts with
it's like a wedding, or like, you know, any type of situation. It's like, yo, it's like sports. You know what I'm saying? How they watch game film and shit. Like, yo, them condensed Knicks games, the 60-minute Knicks type shit. Like, boom, throw your boys in there. And since you only fucking for like 10 minutes, it'll be like 2.5 minutes. So you good.
Nah, if you get one of those long extra inning ones, you go on like 12, 13 joints.
That goes on fucking Julio Classics.
You go.
You get your own network and shit.
like, yo,
this is a classic with Victor and Tamika. They went 2.5 hours. Victor's dick was raw at the end.
When your shit goes soft, we start playing the Yes Network rain delay music, the soft saxophone, like
niggas rolling tarp over the church and shit.
They said there was a chance of rain. Wow.
The ground crew's out there doing the best they can. They're spraying a lot of dirt on Mero's cock. Doesn't seem to be helping. The ball's very slippery.
We'll be right.
Both of them.
All right. Well, we'll monitor the situation until we come back. Here's Michael K talking to Leslie Jones. All right. We'll be right back.
Michael K, how the fuck you doing?
Oh, Leslie, how's it going? I was just saying, rest in peace, Foley's, because I used to, if there was a raid delay and I was at Foley's, like they were trying to change the channel, and I was like, excuse me, what are you doing, bro?
Sir,
it stays on Yes Network.
They're about to talk to Alan Alda for an hour.
They're like,
so,
sir,
please.
There's 25 Cardinal fans here to see the Cardinal game. I was like, Alan Alda, Bronx legend, bro. Come on, don't change the channel. Matter of fact, could you turn on the captions? Thanks. So I stood there just reading it. I was like, oh, wow, he went to Columbus. Who knew? Huh?
Oh, wow. Look at that. Would you look at that?
Hey, could you guys keep it down? No one cares about your stupid ball game. Meanwhile, the Cardinals actually won the World Series that year. I was like,
yeah, must
be nice.
Yeah, whatever.
And I'm like, yeah, good. Yeah, they won one. They're not gonna get 27. And they was like, how old? They're like, how old are you, sir? I was like, I'm old enough. I'm old. You guys want to see a token? This is how people used to get on the subway. They was like, ew.
Yo, look at this. They're like, yo, what is that? Is that a rune?
Bro.
Like, nigga, you play a RuneScape?
Bro, I'll show you some things. Bro, you ever seen a Tamagotchi? Bro, I got a tattoo of one on my butt.
Yo, it's amazing, bro.
Yeah, bro. It was an amazing time, bro.
Apparently...
all my Pikachus are still alive. Yo, today
the Cardinals have the most... I guess that's why the Cardinals are popping, I guess, because they have the most World Series wins after the Yankees.
They do?
But who gives a fuck? Yeah.
Oh,
shit. Okay.
Shout out to them. I didn't even know. Because you know what it is? We barely play them.
Yeah, who cares?
No one cares. There's National League teams that they come up on ESPN. You're like, woo, they still make those?
Okay.
I'm like, wow, okay.
Wow. They still make Cardinals, huh? All right.
Oh, wow. What'd you say?
What
do you say? Wow. Uh-oh, breaking news, emergency.
Yankees win, nigga!
This is big news. Just happened. You know what I'm saying? There's no way for us to prepare for this. Today is the 26th anniversary of Organized Confusion, Extinction Agenda, hip-hop.
Oh, shit. Hip-hop. I like when niggas do the 23rd anniversary. Like, yo, fam, you couldn't wait 2 years?
Also, if they're like, it's the 23rd anniversary, you know the person that tweeted that is on the album. They either are on the album, they had to work with the album, they did the artwork for the album, or their cousin made the album. You're like, okay.
This is the 26th anniversary of that time I typed in the liner notes. You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
It was a great time.
Kid, this album is so classic. I still remember the day I made it. Yo, this is the greatest album ever. But then you go back to the Instagram accounts, and like they've just been posting the album for like 2 years now, and you're like, okay.
Every year.
Bro.
Yo, it's the 23rd anniversary. Yo, it's the 24th anniversary. Yo, it's the 25th anniversary. Yo, it's the 26th anniversary. I'm like, yo, my man, I know.
Bro, listen.
It's like you're talking about this shit like it's your child.
Yo, Instagram, get ready. Next week, we're dropping New York, the 2020 remix. That's right. With Vado and Percy P and Angelus. Be sure. And then they drop like 15 seconds of just the intro beat. And you're like, what am I supposed to do with this? What is this?
Who wants this?
Who wants it? Nobody asked for this. My favorite shit is like when you follow like your favorite like hood niggas who are your boys who rap. Yeah. And then they come in and they drop a new song after clearly a stressful day at work. And you can see because like they might not even have changed out their uniform. They might just like have this shit. They'll be like, yo, I'm about to shoot a nigga. You know what I'm saying? Niggas disrespect my deliveries. I'm like, all right,
like,
relax. I'm like, yo, is everything all right at UPS, my guy? Like,
you good?
nah, nigga. Niggas not respecting the brown. Nigga do the hand signal for UPS. I'm like,
yeah, he's like, yo, nigga does the goody goo goo shit when I Willie. Yo, my man, you want to talk about it? Like,
yo, FedEx, you get XXX out. You like, okay, all right, this is some mail shit. Okay,
listen, man.
Don't you guys like basically both use the postal service for like the last leg of your deliveries? Like how y'all beefing? I don't know, but it's just damn.
Also, like, yo, like, can we like the most harmless organization in the world? Like, motherfuckers are trying to take down. Like, why don't you try? Like, yo, fucking battle nurses now, dog. Yeah, take out nurses next. You know what I'm saying?
Well, no, like
take out like fucking health care, like motherfucking shit, like home care attendants. Next, fucking dick.
Nah, like the post office used to be wild racist. Post office didn't even deliver mail to black people until like I want to say 1998. Like I remember that shit. It was true. It was true. I got my source in the mail. It's true. It's factual. I said what I said. Do not let people silence the truth. I'm teaching the truth to the young black youth. Okay. Black people did not get any mail from the post office until 1998. That's why we remember Illmatic and all those albums, because we had time to listen to all those classic hip hop albums because we wasn't getting mail. People forget about this.
Relax.
No. See? They silence you. They silence you.
Stink.
I'm preaching. Matter of fact,
1998.
1998. A number.
You know the fucking vibes.
Fam, what? This thing is off the rails. You love to see it.
Okay. Let me ask you this. Think about it. It was a big deal in the Bronx. Because what album came out in 1998? Capital Punishment.
True.
How did we get it? From Tower Records and BMG. They finally shipped it to us. And I remember, because the first time a postal worker walked down 3rd Ave, we were all dancing in the street singing, "Can You Feel a Brand New Day?" I remember it. It was right there. Wow, nobody remembers this. Wow. Wow.
I got talking about Capital Punishment and the release. I got my ass beat, nigga, because I ordered this shit from Columbia. Remember Columbia Records?
Uh-huh.
They used to send you that shit in the mail, like, yo, order 20,000 CDs for a penny each, and it was just like in mad small print. But yo, we're gonna charge you like $8,000, like, yo, after you know what I'm saying, like after like 2 weeks.
It was like, here's your new CD for $90 that we need right now, and you're like, hi. You're like, hi.
We're gonna tell your mom.
Hi. I'm 9. I really should not have sent you that penny.
Yeah.
I'm really scared right now.
I just picked a bunch of albums and put a penny and then put it in the mailbox. I didn't know this was gonna happen. I'm so sorry.
That was the best part of life because you were so young. All your solutions were run away. Like everything, you were just like no matter what, you was like, nah, fuck that, I'm out. Fuck that.
Yo, also, they used to send, I don't know what type of algorithm they were using because they used to send random CDs too. Like, and they would send the most random shit. Like, I'm like, my sister's like, yo, I want to get the TLC album. They send like some wild, like, new metal bullshit.
Yeah,
like,
you're just like, what is this?
She's like, I don't want this. I want TLC.
But you were like, I own CDs. You were like, owning CDs when you were a kid was like owning property. You was just like,
what?
Yeah.
I was like, yo, I got equity, motherfucker. I got Stained Unplugged.
I was showing people my CD collection, like, yeah, welcome to LLC Twitter, nigga. That's right, we out here. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You should be here, okay? I'm over here. I'm 10 years old worrying about capital gains taxes. Like, yo, so does that affect my Outkast CD or nah? Like,
dog. My fucking CD binder, whatever the fuck you want to call it, sleeve holder shit, that shit looked like 6 phone books next to each other. That shit was out of control. Like, all of them right there. I don't know where the fuck that shit is right now, but I'm pretty sure that they're like stuck to the plastic and unusable at this point. Especially the fucking CDRs or whatever.
CDRs are not, they're not a standard way of like saving stuff. You can't save stuff on CDR because yeah, I mean, if
I know all my mixtapes are all man rippled and shit,
bro. All my porn CDRs from back in the day, bro, they're like gone, like it's
corrupted.
So sad.
Yo, isn't that the saddest feeling ever, bro? Isn't it sad?
You know what the saddest thing is? Because you can look at the CD and you know exactly what scenes are on it in your head.
Yeah, you're like, damn, I'm tight.
Rest in peace.
Like, yo,
rest in peace.
Yo, damn, I just try to open this AVI file from mad long ago. Yo, I'll also reminisce, and the shit says corrupted. Fuck.
Yeah.
Yo,
you try to
repair.
You try to open it, and QuickTime is like, whoa.
Whoa! What are you doing?
QT, yo, he's using my grandpa's codex. Yo, get over here.
Yo, come look at this shit. This nigga's wildin'.
Yo, can we put this in the museum? This is what.
Yo,
you got relics.
Shit. Yo, put it next to the real media player.
Wow, that's crazy. Like all the other apps come looking like, yo, that's what.
Yo, what is that?
Bro, it says this was created in 1993 and it still runs. What?
What? Yo, why does the name of it have vowels?
Bro, that's crazy.
Like, apps don't have vowels anymore. What is this?
I'm just like, this was used on an iMac. They're like, oh! One of the ones with the color on the back? I was like,
no.
One of those.
My mom tells me those to make me be good. My mom tells me stories about those iMacs to make me be obedient.
Back in the day, you had to buy the Wi-Fi card separate from the MacBook.
What?
You had to install it yourself by unscrewing the bottom of the MacBook and putting it in.
No!
It was horror, I tell you. Horror. Yeah, Apple was like, yeah, it's quiet for that. You're not doing that no more.
Yeah, no. Sorry.
Apple was like, yo, good luck. If you open your MacBook now and you get to the store, Apple, like, they'll drag you in the back and just beat the shit out of you. They're like, what are you doing? Why would you do that? You ain't had no business. Apple turns into Patrick Ewing. Like, why'd you do that?
What? You practice that? When? Yo, I felt that West Indian Pop's energy coming through that gift, bro. That shit scares me sometimes. Yo,
Listen.
also, you were right about the Fortnite shit. My kid just turned the shit off, and he went to go play a match and the shit. And they have a hashtag, dog. They have a hashtag free Fortnite. I was like, what? I was like, yo, my man. I was like, yo, this is Epic Games. Like, yo, shout out to y'all. This is very tone deaf right now.
Keep an eye on your kid, because if he start printing up signs and shit at night, he might be in a protest tomorrow. And while we joke, the last thing you want is a bunch of kids and preteens in the streets protesting, because that's terrifying. They will be out there fucking shit up.
Yo, they're not fucking playing, dog. They need their fucking weird skins.
What if the next civil rights movement is like the freedom of Fortnite? It has nothing to do with black or brown people. So like, what do we want? Microtransactions. When do we want them? Now!
Like, yo, what the fuck? Yo,
microtransactions lives matter. Like, no.
You can't say that. Yo, it's wild because like they got the wild like you know what I'm saying? Like when every company was doing like a statement about Black Lives Matter, like it's still like, you know, like I think Call of Duty still has it, Apex Legends, like a lot of games have them on their front page, like you got to click through it.
Oh yeah. And
like the Fortnite shit, I thought it was like the same thing, and then I was just like, wait a minute, what? And then I read this shit and I was like, damn, I was like, yeah, y'all made this sound like a wild social justice issue and shit. It's like, Apple has blocked Fortnite from the App Store, removing everyone's ability to install and update the game on iOS devices, while instructing Epic to remove the Epic Direct Payment feature. Apple is keeping prices high so they can collect 30% of your payments, and is blocking Fortnite in order to prevent Epic from passing on the savings from direct payments to you. Join the fight against App Store and social media with hashtag free Fortnite. I was like, what? I was like, okay.
But the kids want their Fortnite. What can I say?
Yo, shit.
Kids need Fortnite, bro.
Yo.
Because I know kids that don't even like really play Fortnite. They just get on there to talk to each other and shit. So
yeah.
They're like, it's the
like
new
they suck. No. The people that are playing Fortnite right now, they suck. Like I barely play that shit. Like Amari's 5, and he's up there top 3 every round. I'm like, yo, and he's like 8, like he's like just floating all over the place. And I'm like, yo, is everybody in this game fucking trash, bro?
Dog, I remember my best Fortnite kill. Like, I'm just running around because I was like, I landed mad far out because I was like, all right, I'm going to work my way. And I know there's no one out there, whatever. I'm just learning the game, whatever. There was someone just hiding behind a tree.
Yeah.
Just hiding. And
just standing there.
I had to drop on them, and they didn't turn around. And I was like, there's no fucking way this person's not going to turn around.
Fam, you keep shooting them and they don't turn around.
At that moment, it was just like, what's the most beautiful way to murder this person? Like, what is the easiest way? Because, you know, like, Fortnite is one thing. You know, in Call of Duty, if you get the drop on an oh,
you hit the R3, yeah,
bro. If you get the drop
button?
on someone, and now he's like, oh, do you want the headshot? Do you want to do the wild disrespectful?
OD and C4
just hit him with the gun. That's the wild disrespectful shit. Or just stab them. My favorite, I remember this guy was camping. I forgot what map it was, but he was camping sniper. And
of course,
he was just killing niggas every time you went onto like the right traffic lane on the map because there's the 3 lanes, and so he hit me twice. Because I'm a Call of Duty person. The first time you get sniped, you're like, nah, that's not happening again. I'm doing the same exact thing. Fuck that. I'm going in with my nuts out. Coming right back out. Hey, shit changed. I ain't learned a goddamn thing. And then you turn the corner, it's like, pew, and you're like, oh fuck. So now you're like, okay,
fuck you.
So rather than help my team, I turned into Jordan. This became a personal thing, and I walked all the way around the map. And because he was just sitting there waiting for niggas, and I was the only one going on that lane, he's there, crouched down, flat on the floor, waiting for niggas. Fam, when I tell you, it was who's the player that he does the gravity slam on Call of Duty?
Oh, shit. I forgot. I've been forgetting niggas' names. I'm like, yo. There you go.
Yeah, so this is Call of Duty 4. I did the gravity slam on him so hard, and when you do it, like it's just blood comes everywhere because it basically was on his head, and he started like then me and him just got into it back and forth for like 4 rounds, like not even doing the objective, like we just shoot each other from towers.
Every time you kill a nigga, just says revenge.
Yes, revenge, or even the best one is when you kill them with their gun. And it says backfire.
Yeah.
Let's talk that talk, baby. Let's talk that talk. You know what I'm saying? I'll kill you with your prestige gun that glows. And guess how the glows get stronger with each kill?
You bozo. You gonna be sick.
All right?
Especially when you watch the fucking kill cam like a doofy and watch me reloading your shit. And teabagging you, doing all the annoying shit like the 10-year-olds do.
Shout out to Call of Duty. Shout out to me and Mero playing Call of Duty in a Hollywood Hills house. That was a cool moment.
Oh, what? Shut
up, my nigga. Shut up.
Okay, I wasn't trying to make it hot, but I was generalizing names for public consumption. No need to point niggas out.
Yo, that's how you can trip that. You can change it into anything you want. Change it into like Jada Smith. You know what I'm saying? Al Gore. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you want.
He was like, hey guys, I invented this. I was like, thank you.
Thank you. Yo, Al Gore is the reason that we can play video games from afar.
Al Gore invented the internet and OnlyFans, and people do not give him the credit.
But yo, he does not give Al Gore his flowers now.
He invented OnlyFans for Bill Clinton, and he was like trying to keep Bill Clinton to stop wilding.
Yeah.
Bill got Dome in the White House.
Yo, you don't give a fuck.
That's wild.
You a savage, nigga. If you get Dome in the White House,
bro, that's the kind of shit you got to talk to your boy in the car on the way home from the club. Like, yo, you was wilding. Like, you can't keep doing this shit.
Like, yo, you really wilding, man. Like, yo, I smashed at my job one time when I worked at Lehman Brothers, and I was like petrified for a week straight. I was like, yo, my boss is gonna smell it. He's gonna know I nutted in his office. I was just being petty because he was just like a dick to me. He wouldn't let me take my little smoke breaks, and I was just like, I'm gonna smash in your office. Fuck you. I'm the last one out. I close up. I'm gonna bust a wild nut all over your floor, and I did, and then I felt bad, like for like 2 weeks. He never found out. But yo, if you getting toppy in the Oval Office, my guy.
Oh, bro, it's like when I used to work shout out to the nightlife when I worked in security, and it was like this one club, and the thing is we used to have at 6 o'clock, we'd have like the wild government workers party, the after work shit with the Long Island ICs, and then there was this one girl, and she, like, I remember I've been working there for 3 years, and I remember when I first started, like, she was the girl to get that night. Like, all the guys would fight over her. 3 years later, not so much. You know what I'm saying? 3 years later, hey, she's there. Maybe now her daughter's coming to the party. You know, it's not the same vibes. But Shorty decided, one by one, she was going to fuck every security guard on staff. And they were all down with it, so they could just go with her to the bathroom. And then when it was my turn, I was like, nah, I'm good. Like, I have a little respect for my dick. Like, I'm not, like, I don't have quota dick. You know what I mean? Like,
he was just
like, you're not using me for stats, ma. Okay, all right. You're not saying don't put me in during garbage time.
You dodged the bullet because there's a lot. I feel like there's women out here that could be like, you know what I'm saying? Yo, I fucked that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I fucked him before. I fucked him before.
I mean, I'm
is
still
it like an indie band? Like, is it like, yo, I fucked him before he was popping?
I'm still in contact. If we've ever done it, I'm still in contact with them. There's no one out there like it was one and done. I like if you hop out, I'll be like, hello, hi. Can I talk to you about that?
Hey,
hey. Like the numbers ain't that high.
Well, you better than me, nigga. I'm waiting for some bitch to pop up and be like, yo, I fucked that motherfucker in high school. He was what the fuck?
In a good way or a bad way?
No, in a good way.
Like,
okay.
yeah,
no. Like, yeah, no. Like, you know, like.
You gotta clarify.
Yeah, no, in a good way.
There's a big difference between I fucked him in high school if it's like you were both in high school, or if like it was like a teacher. If it was like a teacher, like, yeah, bro.
Yeah, I fuck Mrs. Rosenberg. Yo, that 90-year-old choach, bro, that shit slap.
Listen. Mrs. Rosenberg on her deathbed, they're like, is there anyone you want to talk to? She's like,
yo,
call Judy. It's like, what?
Yo,
Judy, I got it before I die. I gotta tell you. Your son-in-law, he gave me that plantain a long time ago, back when I worked in the New York City schools, and let me tell you, it was good.
I knew it.
He hit the bottom.
I knew it.
He hit the bottom.
He has PD. He has PD. Every time he comes to the house, there I know. He has PD.
It's true. Look at his big hands. I mean, he had big hands as a kid. I'm not. You know what? It was wild because it was the '90s. You know, like whatever you could do, whatever. No one cared. Yo, listen.
Also,
he blew my back out underneath asbestos. It was an amazing time. I'll never forget it.
And let me ask you something.
It was crazy, his hand skills. Like how I've never seen someone tag with jizz before. It's amazing.
Did you blow a shofar?
So far and so good, let me tell you.
Yeah,
that's right. The only podcast that has socio-Jewish references. That's right.
That's right. Oh, we are, dude.
Sponsored by the newest search engine, Net and Yahoo. That is such a wash joke. And it's such a cross. It's like only older Jewish people are gonna get that joke.
Yo,
you get that? You get that?
That's wild intersectional right there.
Okay, so shout out to y'all. Shout out to everyone on the Upper East Side. Like, they don't miss.
Yo,
these boys don't miss.
Yo, these guys don't miss.
These guys can't hold me back. These guys can't hold me back. These guys can't hold me back. Like, come into the ring. It was like, yo. That's our entrance music. I have no idea for what we're doing an entrance for.
Yo, the kosher UFC league.
Definitely something that we did not consult with Victor before signing up for. Just an email I forward to you at like 4 a.m. Like, bro, Victor's gonna say it's not like gonna say the money's low, but it's like popularity. Come on, bro.
Yo,
come on, bro. Come on, we could beat the bro. We're gonna be fighting Amish girls in the ring. What could go wrong? Come on, bro.
Those are the ideas. Those are the type of ideas I like. It's wild because I'm like, yo, fam, like you've drastically cut down on the amount of weed you smoke. Like, I have these ideas stone cold sober. Like, people are like, yo, those are high ideas. I'm like, no, fam, those are stone cold sober ideas. I have I have normal ideas when I'm stoned and absolutely ridiculous ideas when I'm stone cold sober, just sitting there at the kitchen island, like drinking coffee. Like, what if UFC did like doubles? Like 4 dudes in the ring wearing bike shorts beating the shit out of each other. You know what I'm saying? Like, what would happen then? That's a cool idea.
Like, what if the Knicks like use brass knuckles? Like,
yeah.
What is the league say they can't? I mean, let's look into this.
What about boxing? What if boxing did like? What if they were just like, yo, you know what? Let's just take off the gloves, take it back to like the ancient Roman times, and y'all just duff each other bare knuckle. What's up,
bro? How do we know like the Philadelphia Liberty Bell doesn't have tacos in it? I mean, like, do the math on that. Like,
yeah,
like
maybe that's why they were trying to crack it in the first place.
I mean, think about it. And they stopped. Bro, you ever go to Taco Bell, you get a hard shell. If you don't come home soon enough, it cracks. Same thing with the bell. Boom. Maybe the Liberty Bell's made out of tacos. Like, maybe we should go over there and find out.
That's right. Like, you know what I'm saying? Bro. All goes back to it's raining tacos, B. There you go.
There you go.
That's a QAnon shit.
There you go.
QAnon shit.
Think about it. Taco. Taco is a member of what? Odd Future.
Odd Future.
We're living in an odd future now until guess who saves us?
Yeah.
2020, motherfucker.
Yeah. And what's the last part? Kill them all. That's what they want to do. The Labes. They want to kill you all. They want to take your guns.
That's true.
They want to take your guns, bro.
We post a picture of like 2 tacos, but one's bitten in half, And it sets the internet on fire, and I'm just like, oh, I forgot to take my lactate. Sorry.
Oops, my bad.
Oh, breaking news.
Oh.
I mean, listen, we try to be humble on here.
Yeah.
We try not to, count our blessings in other people's faces and stuff, but I have something I want to show y'all, and I don't give a fuck how y'all feel. Y'all see it in the camera right there.
This nigga got wipes on wipes.
That's right.
What?
That's right. Your boy was in the supermarket today, and they were restocking the shelves, and I got 5 bottles of Clorox wipes. Okay? I run New York. De Blasio is my city now.
Yo, bro, chill.
Chill. Ellen just caught the home invasion.
Okay.
Listen,
bro. I die for these wipes. I live for my wipes. I die for my wipes.
Nah, bro. Now I gotta post up in front of your crib with the shotty. Make sure, you know what I'm saying?
Love my girls, but where's my wipes? Love my bitches, but where's my wipes? No, fam, let me ask you, I very rarely do you have moments where you come close to cooning. Yeah, bro. I might have done a soft shoe. I was like, oh Lord, Mr. Master with the Lysol wipes.
Oh no.
Hello, my father. Hello, my dad. Hello, my ragtime doll. Had on a cap and shit. I was soft showing through it. No, they were just like, because I was like, how many can you buy? And then the guy was like, "Eh?" And I was like, "No, is there a limit?" And he was like, "What are you talking about?" And then I was like, "Shut the fuck up." To myself, I was like, if he doesn't know what you're talking about, buy as many as you can. Buy all of them. Because last time I seen it was 3 months ago, and I bought one canister of wipes, and my stupid ass was like, Jesus, be benevolent. Leave others so other people in the community could have some.
And then you realize I got a lot of counter space.
You know what? And I opened my heart, and you know what? This community fucked my husband. Wait, that's from Sophie. Okay, wait. I opened my heart, and you know what? They opened all the wipes, and I haven't seen a wipe yet. So now I got my wipes back, okay? I'm ready. If you need wipes for your kids, don't hit me up. I don't got nothing for you. I'm sorry. That's not for Mero. I know Mero's good. Mero got the wipes. I seen him. I know Mero. Mero low-key is a doomsday prepper.
Yo, fam. I don't even want to show you out my garage because I will get assaulted tonight.
Listen, Mero, sometimes we record the show, and Mero in the back room, every now and then you see like I want to say a 500,000 gallon vat of mangool. Just waiting, just chilling right there.
I got Country Crock on deck, you know what I'm saying? Because that shit never goes bad, you know what I'm saying? And my mom's had me believing that shit was butter my whole goddamn life.
Listen, yo, my man Mero got bundles of Alestra chips, bro.
Yo, what?
Ready, bro. You eat them and they run right out your butt, bro.
Yeah, y'all not ready for that anal leakage. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, wow, the Yankees won. See, you know what? It doesn't even matter what night it is recorded on. It's true for all 3 nights in the series.
That's an
Red Sox are terrible out there.
Stupid.
Right now, the Red Sox are looking like when your neighbor bought a PT Cruiser, but now it's like 10 years later and they still got it. And you're like, oh, wow.
Wow.
And they can't sell it. They can't do nothing with it. They got to rent another car to move a fridge.
Damn, dog. I mean,
you still driving that? Wow.
Damn, dog. Yo, the for sale sign in the window is fading, dog. Like,
I mean, I'm gonna put another one on. I mean, it's time.
I don't even have a license, but I put a pre-order in on the Cybertruck.
Woo!
You think that's gonna be the
Cybertruck
cruiser?
Victor with the Cybertruck. Wow.
Bro.
But you know what? That makes sense.
It's so hideous. I need it.
You don't need it. You deserve it. You deserve it, Victor. I cannot wait till Victor pulling up with a Cybertruck.
Joe, and like I said, like I'm gonna have to learn how to drive this thing. Bro. I just haven't driven it in like 10 years. But the exterior apparently is like hard, like cold rolled steel, so you can't ding it up. So I'm straight. Bro, all y'all better watch out though, because I'm not driving a straight line for at least the first month.
I think when Cardi B copped her first car, she didn't know how to drive.
When she copped her first 5 Lambos, I heard she.
There you go. Don't worry, bro.
Not drive yourself when you don't know how to drive. Like, just get a driver. Let it go,
bro. You don't need a license. You don't need a license. God gave you a license. You don't need a license. You're just a citizen.
Yo, your arms work, your legs work. You good. Arm, leg, arm, head. You good.
Okay. Think about it. Think about the letters. DMV, demon-minded violence. Do not need that. You do not need that as a Babylon thing. You know Let me ask you this. Did Jesus have a license? No, but yet him and his boys went near and far without Uber. Yep. So you mean to tell me Jesus and his disciples was walking up the Mount of Olives, then they went to Bethlehem, then they went to Galilee. Them niggas was driving. Okay, I can't prove it.
Cybertrucks. There are people that believe that Jesus was an alien.
Here you go.
Yo, he probably had a Cybertruck.
People, that's why he seemed like a guy.
I fuck with the like the wild like cyberpunk graffiti lettering on the shit. Like also the shit looks like Kobe's first shoe. A lot of niggas don't remember that first.
It's gonna be great. Just a straight iRobot shit.
Yo, when Kobe came out with the fucking Audi TT on his feet, like I was just like, yo, R.I.P.
That
to the
thing
mama.
now Victor's gonna turn into a character from Ghost in the Shell, Public Service Security 9.
Yo,
Like pulling up, like, yo, the wild anime music and shit. Like, yeah.
I can't really drive, but for an additional $8,000, it says that it is fully capable of driving on its own. Like, I'm gonna be in the back seat, like on my phone, like, huh?
Bro, let me just tell you, that Tesla auto driver shit, the amount, you know how I know you can't trust it? Because when you turn it on, you have to do like 2 dialogue boxes where they're like, yo, you sure? And the second was like, yo, you sure? Also, by the way, Tesla's not responsible if you die. And you're like,
Yo, fam,
hold up.
Elon wouldn't lie to me.
When it runs, no, bro.
Elon, he said Elon wouldn't lie. That nigga lied about his hairline.
Bro, when I was using it, like, you would think, oh, it's like, self-driving. It's going to do like a regular 10, 15 miles per hour. Yeah, that shit said, are y'all ready for 50? Who's ready for 55? Y'all ready? Okay, because the light just changed. Let's go. 55. I was like, yo, why are we shooting at 55 down the West Side Highway? Because it was going back home. And the whole time driving it, I remember what the Tesla people was like, yo, they was like, it's a loaner, but if you crash it, you own it. And I was like, oh, that's different.
But that's the thing. The Cybertruck's like 77 or 79 all in. But the Model X, the one you were driving, that's just like 120 loaded up.
Bro, please put some respect on my name. I was driving a fully kitted out Model X. That the one I was driving was almost $200K with all the accessories. Okay, including the unnecessary sound effect of the whoosh when you open the Gulf wings, which I opened and had all my Jamaican neighbors gathering around like, what the fuck was going on there? And I was like, yeah, I have to move tonight. Like, I cannot stay on this block. Like, you can't just be driving a Tesla through Eden World projects. I've learned that the hard way. Like, This is time and place for shit. So, that car was dope. And it had it didn't have it, but they're coming out with a roof rack that charges, so you don't have to go to the charger. So, but I did go to the charger and I learned about the etiquette of Tesla charging, because what happens is you got to sit inside the charger while it's charging. It could be like 3 hours. So you don't have to charge the full amount. You could do like half of it or whatever. But then you have people who they'll just leave their car on the charger and just go about their day. So now their car's on the charger for 8 hours. You can't do anything. And if you need a charger to go home, you're fucked. You got people who drive regular cars and they'll block sideways, blocking all the chargers because fuck electricity. Wild. Wild.
They gotta do Tesla gotta they gotta get on the Apple wave and just make mad dongles and like extenders and shit. Like, you know what I mean? Just turn any outlet into because my neighbor was like, yo, I could just charge this shit in a regular ass house outlet, but that shit gotta be on there for a fucking full 24 hours, dog.
Yeah, I mean,
that shit ain't going nowhere after, you know what I mean?
As my Tesla agent said, yeah, that's the brokey way. And they was like, we would come to your house and install a proper charger. But if you go on the Tesla website and you go on that page, ain't no price. They're like, we'll contact you. So you know what that means. You know what that means.
That's the fashion magazine shit. Call for price. Call for price, baby. Call for price. That means we don't want to discourage you. Guess what? Yeah, if you're hesitating at call for price, that means you can't afford it, bro.
Exactly.
Like, call for price so that when you call, you got a cop, because now you're like, I want to buy.
They're even like, then they try to gas you and they're like, you know what? Don't think about it like that. If you have one, you can charge other people to use it at your house. So you can make a little money on the side.
You can Airbnb.
I don't want to be sleeping at 4 a.m. and someone's like, yo, bro, can I charge my Tesla?
Yo, you wake up in a panic like, yo,
Sorry, bro.
Hey,
bro. What the fuck you want, bro?
It's I know you don't know me. I'm my name's Will. I'm traveling from North Dakota. It's going cross country.
Bro, what the fuck are you doing? Why are you on exit 14 of the Major Deegan?
Well, I just I noticed that you drive a Tesla as well. You're part of the group. Love you. By the way, was in your Peloton class the other day. I didn't want to say anything. I'm a huge fan. And okay. How about a couple bucks and I'll just plug my car in here for a few hours and then I'll go. I'll let you do your thing. Sorry.
Wait, you're gonna plug my car in?
I mean, no, mine. I'll plug mine into your charger so that I can charge it. I'll be right on my way.
Bro, I have 2 Teslas. This one here and the one you just drove in.
No, this is my.
Bro.
Oh.
Let's not. Bro, you know what it is, bro. Come on. Bro, come on.
Okay. Okay.
Bro.
You can borrow it. You can borrow it for a bit.
Bro,
I like walking. I like walking a lot, so I'm just gonna walk.
Bro. I mean, bro. Bro, it's wild. Like,
is that loaded?
Bro, the fact that you will like take a walk in the middle of the night into like the Bronx. I mean, like. Oh my God! Wow! I mean, good luck with that.
Just a wild Yakubian anime sweats like, what do I do?
Oh.
He's like, wait a minute, you're famous, you can't shoot me.
Yeah, bro.
I'm charging my car here.
Bro, if anything, famous people can shoot you easier than regular people. I was thinking about that the other night. I was like, yo, should I start carrying an illegal gun? Because now it's like, the problem, well, first of all, I saw a wild thing on the news yesterday. It was like an assembly person or a congressperson or a state senator or somebody. They were saying they want to bring the mandatory minimum for getting caught with a gun to 10 years. An automatic 10 years mandatory minimum if you get caught with a legal gun in New York City. That is absolutely the stupidest fucking idea I've ever heard. Because I think of young Desus, and I think about how I used to like be like, fuck gun laws. I don't give a shit about that. I could do 3. 10, I am firing at anyone trying to get that gun, and so is every other person that carries an illegal gun in New York City. You are not going out without emptying the clip. Do you understand me? No one's going to be like, you got me. No, you shooting to get out of there. Like that, use your sense. Like, if when you're carrying a gun, you don't care about gun laws. Like, I never bought an illegal gun and then looked up what the gun laws in New York City was.
Oh, let me see the statewide statutes.
Hello, 47th precinct. Let me tell you something. I just copped an illegal Ruger from Hell Rel. Just wanted to know what the ramifications of me carrying without a permit are. I'll hold. Like, no, that phone call never happened.
Yo, but the ill shit about motherfuckers copping guns in the hood, a lot of these motherfuckers don't buy rounds. Like, I've seen so many motherfuckers buy guns and not buy rounds. I'm like, yo, fam, you know that's basically, you basically got like a really, really cool heavy paperweight in your hand that you could maybe scare like a non-goon. Like,
that is like, listen, if you buy guns in the hood and your dealer does not provide rounds or the option to buy rounds, your dealer is trash. Your dealer is trash. Every dealer I've ever dealt with, allegedly, every dealer I've seen on Law and Order has always provided the armament. Also, like, you're adding a whole new level of difficulty for you. If you're in New York City, it's hard enough to get gun oil delivered to you. How are you gonna get bullets? I mean, unless you go on eBay and you tell the person to mark the box as something different. But I mean, you'd never do that. I mean,
no. You know what I'm saying?
Also, you can also order extended clips from Israel on eBay. So I've been told. I've heard this a couple times. Yeah,
I got a couple. I copped a couple. Judy came through it. You know what I'm saying? She went back for birthright and came back with wild extendos. The carry on.
She just came out like, hey, Mero, I heard you need this. Extendo.
Extendo. Here.
It's like, oh, thank you.
Yeah. Hey, I bought you a dick for your stick.
It's like, oh.
I'm like, oh, Judy.
Come here, kitties. You all get extendos. They're like, oh. Your kids are running around the living room with gold-plated Uzis and shit. I'm like,
yo. She's
like,
hey,
gave this to us. Like, wow.
She's like,
okay.
Hey, little Zaley, I got you a special one. Aww. This one's full of hollows.
Wow. Wow, baby's first Desert Eagle. You love to see it. Wow.
If I don't do this shit, that should do a backflip. I'm like, yo, we going viral. Do this shit again. I'm putting it on TikTok.
Oh, baby shoots her first extendo. Love it. As people were just tagging Ellen in it, like, have her on.
Have her on.
Let her shoot the extendo.
Yo. Then she goes on the show and just claps Ellen.
Whoa.
Yo.
Well, they just said that Ellen, her house got robbed, and the cops said it was an inside job. And if she's quarantining with her wife, Portia, you think Portia set her up?
I mean, listen.
Wow. Portia tired? Maybe Portia's Ally Sinclair money ran out.
Yo, I'm feeling she definitely has. I don't know if she's Victor's more well versed. Victor's more well versed in indie movies, but I have not seen her in a blockbuster.
She has got money. Even if the Al McMeal money ran out, she probably got a decent deal on Arrested Development.
Oh, true, yeah. They in syndication.
Right? And Ally McBeal, that's like true syndication. That was like in syndication before like the first episode of Friends dropped.
Yeah.
Like,
and also Ellen,
she good.
And then don't forget she was like married before.
Yeah.
So Portia said she was married before.
Yeah, she get alimony and she eating all that off the Ellen cake.
No, alimony only lasts 6 years tops, I think.
Ah, damn.
She's worked since she was a child, so she got some ducats. All right, moment of truth. What do you guys think the net worth is?
Portia
DeRoss.
Is that her real name? If you tell me her real name versus if you tell me her real name, I'll tell you her net worth.
Her real name is Amanda Lee Rogers.
Okay, her net worth after changing her name to Portia DeRossi is I would say $12 million.
Victor, what do you say?
10 million. I said 10.
50 mil.
Not counting Ellen as equity?
Not counting. Listen, Ellen's worth like 330 mil. So
he's like, yo, here, hold this 50, bozo.
Yo. If your girl is worth 330 mil and she gives you 50 mil, you still feel like a man? Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
You still crazy? And if I get caught slipping, I'll be like, yo, it's because you gave me 50 mil.
All right,
300.
That's not. Yo, you give me 50 mil, I'm walking around with Dior bags like EJ Johnson, nigga. Like, let's go. Okay?
You crazy? I'm getting fake titties for no reason.
Me and my girl me and my $330 million boo doing TikTok videos with matching outfits. Like,
you know what I'm saying?
Do it.
I'm doing the same shit that homeboy did and just put real dolls in front of the crib, like on the front lawn.
Chilling.
Just like planking, doing workouts and shit. Like,
oh man.
The neighbor's kids just looking out the window all day, like, yo.
What's he doing, bro?
Little nigga, like 13 years old, he's just looking. He's like, yo, can I go play with the neighbors? Dad's like,
no,
nah,
stay away from that.
Chill.
They're dirty. Those are dirty dolls.
But Dad, I saw you coming out of there at like 3 a.m.
Do what I say, not what I do. Oh my God. You're going to end up like Artie's journal.
Man, imagine how much amateur porn you could record if you just put like a Nest camera and mad real dolls on your front lawn. You know what I'm saying?
That's porn, and that's probably like a sex offense. Like,
you put a mad big ass sign whenever motherfuckers are taping on location, that big ass sign that they put up, like, yo, you if you pass through here or talk, you will be filmed. You
lose all rights, bro.
You lose all rights.
Yeah. Oh man.
No, you don't want to go out like that.
The wild, confusing sign, like, do not have sex with the real dolls. But now there's like mad lube, little bottles of lube all over your lawn.
There's like a little crafty table with like lube and condoms and shit.
Like after you violate one of the real dolls, like a PA comes over and has you sign a release. You're like,
yeah, great job. For the eye here. Just initial right here.
Before you run off, can we just get your name and your address? All right, thank you. Nasty. Susio.
Yeah.
As we are, Susio. The Susio Boys, you know what it is. Episode 215, all the way live. Me and Mero, we going to Philly right now. We were on the Barbacoa. Shout out to Barbacoa, best taco spot in the world. I'll shout that out. Also, me and him, we were about to go get some Philly cheesesteaks. And then we were about to, we're getting Philly cheesesteaks, and then we're going to Rozel's house, and he's going to beatbox for us.
We're about to do a beatbox album, and then we're going to get robbed by Pina.
If your girl only knew. You call her Heffany. I call her Stephanie. Me and my sister's like, I asked you to get a DJ. I was like, he's a DJ with his mouth, though. It's
it's easier. You don't got to bring in mad equipment and shit. Like, come on.
It's like that. Like, he can get anything royalty free. He don't need the Wi-Fi for the Spotify. You know,
he's like, work it. Like, yo,
the
he
kids
does
are like,
everything.
boo, that shit sucks.
Yo, he got mad genres.
Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Tyrio.
Ooh, yeah.
aka the fat can stay fat like here we go. Here we go. Ah. There you go. So now I know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rando.
Yeah.
1994 en Nueva York.
Yeah.
Miguel going off. The Juve boss. MC. Little Gunga P. Putting up for 40 with your shorty. Gonna kiss her on the cheek and then splash it. Whoa. And don't talk to me in the Uber because they don't exist anymore. Also because I don't know you. So it means now don't talk to me in the Uber because you're the driver. You should have a mask on and I don't need you like spreading coronies.
That's right.
That's a scientific term. When you talk, that's what comes out your mouth. Coronies.
Coronies.
You're a super spreader. You're spreading coronies. It's no different than Peroni's the fish. The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss on Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Jamaican avocado toast, Young Pod, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Charcoonery, without the coonery. Cut it out.
No, cut it out. Stop it.
Left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Lo-K, Two Phone Jones, DJ Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonner label, dilute, baby. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I got my Pinot Blurry. DJ Woolite is in Washington FM. Again, shout out to Organized Confusion, dropping that stress, extinction,
hip-hop.
agenda shit. You know, hip-hop, real hip-hop.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion. How we going? Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain him.
No.
All right, try to build a box. I will jump out of it. I think outside the box. The human maybe, word to Ja. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henry Blood Cross, Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vitamin, Boofin. The human word is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decketing. Ricky Tiki, Squabby. Greg Popovich. More sayings with your chestnut. Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. The juices are pressed, but you know who isn't? You know who isn't? You know who's not pressed?
No.
Your boy. Your boy. And by your boy, I mean me, not Michael B. Jordan. I know sometimes y'all get confused because we look alike. I tell them, I'm like, yo, fam, like, yo, you got,
I think it's like it's only it's the chest and the
tell
arms,
the photographers, yo, because like you can't tell they can't tell the difference when I got a hat on. You know, chest is the same, baby. Shout out to Michael B. Jordan. Listen, I am the R. Damn it again. Like Michael B. Jordan. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. Every now and then I'll get a shrimp cup of noodles because them shit's still slap. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The Prince of Peckham.
Talk
The
about
Fashion Over Casting Over. Will you make sense? 5 cents, 10 cents. I love. Forget the small change. Give me. Big money. The only anthem I salute is Gypset. Mr. Sager. Catch me at square one. Top left. Man's is Marv. Trevor Zuda, holy cow. Mr. Star Punk, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it is me, Sonny D. Oh, yeah. David Urman, these expensive, these are red bottles, these is bloody shoes. Yeah. Joaquin Noah, Andrew Coon, aka the Junior Energy God Junior, come sit down by me, Charger.
Yo, sit on it.
Cause I got your bitch on freeze, the topic of gossip is Sayasa. Shout out to the 11791. Let's go Islanders, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
AK Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket. No. Your man Dead IDs is morning sheriff. Mr. Shopping that street easy with bad breeze like I'm easy. Excuse me. Mr. Virtually shopping that street easy like a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. And I'd like to know how many days has this apartment been on the market. And they said we stopped counting once the quarantine started. And I was like, that does not help me at all. Damn. The black AJ addict who'll crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Miss Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. The sheep mask killer. Illa. No one could be illa. The Black Zach Moore support Morris, Young KPI, your personal Jesus, aka the Pele of Peloton, aka your problematic babe. It's not a secret family if you just kind of half-ass the relationship and put the kids in a position where they have to get a lot of therapy in the future and have a lot of trauma.
It's all good.
So, you know. So buy them French fries. They'll enjoy that. Yeah. Coming to the stage, we have...
doing a double, triple barrel roll into this motherfucker. It's your boy, because I'm going stir crazy, and I am about to drink a bottle of vodka with my nose as soon as we start up. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Donovan Big Dab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking dog, ask me if I give a fuck. He was not social distancing.
He does not.
He wasn't social. It was for you. I did it for you. You know, they say that they can carry the virus, man. I'm trying to keep you safe. You know what I'm saying? I don't fucking baby, I'm fucking man. You know what I'm saying? That's why I stay inside. You know what I'm saying? No need to check the fucking guest list because there are no guest lists. Because to go to a virtual party, you don't need a guest list. And you know why we're going to virtual parties? Because you fucking dickheads couldn't stay inside. Now motherfuckers in New Zealand are surfing with their dicks out, and we're inside in the middle of fucking summer. Thank you, you fucking bozos.
It's true.
And by that, I mean Donald Trump and the administration and all you motherfucking dickheads out here protesting not wearing masks. You know what I'm saying? Protesting about not wearing masks is what I mean. Is what you should understand. Don't throw no spin on my shit. You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Dab back here. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tiger backwards, smoke a 3-gram blunt and then hit you with this 9 iron. Don't step through that threshold, B. I got a license to carry. AKA get to the shmoney and the smoke is your boy going smack. You know what I'm saying? AKA Mesh Montana. Hey, I went from roaches to deers in my backyard. Maybe you bring a nice little brisket to Seder next year. AKA I got my kids a motherfucking bubble so they could go anywhere they want during this Rona epidemic. You know what I'm saying? Because they're getting a little wild, you know what I mean? And school's about to start and I'm a little nervous. So I'm just going to have Albert Einstein reanimated and homeschool them from home. You know why? Because I'm a motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA Bismack Biombo. AKA Diego Maradona. AKA Dick Your Bebo Tombo. You don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me now. You understand that?
You tell him, bro.
Dick your bay. No, remember? You've changed your ways. Oh yes, that is I almost forgot. I'm sorry. I respect your agency, my queen. I will not enter unless you grant me access. This is the moment this is my MO going forward. Thank you. A.K.A. Bartles Santana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. A.K.A. the Dominican Dundada. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. I'm a sweat. Yo, shout out to the Dominican Republic. You know what I'm saying? We finally got a president in there that is not a piece of trash. Is way left of center. Shout out to you. You know what I'm saying? And let's keep it moving in that direction. You know what I'm saying, my peoples? AKA, I'll swipe my card again. There's definitely money in it. Don't try to play me, yo. The store's is open now, B. You know what I'm saying? I waited in line for mad long. You know what I'm saying? And homie behind me, he's creeping up on me. He's not keeping 6 feet. You know what I'm saying? Don't make me call your manager out here and embarrass you, because I'll take my mask off and I'll cough all over this bitch. Stop playing with me, bro. You know what I'm saying? There's money on that shit. You see me on TV, nigga. I got chains on. I leave my chain here as collateral. Stop. AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. Let me find out. I don't give a fuck about phases or nothing, nigga. I never cared. You know what I'm saying? I eat your ass, but I put on a mask because I'm responsible. You know what I'm saying? Don't make fun of my hat on the internet either. Stop. That's me.
Got AKA, the tiny logo.
You know what I'm saying? But yo, tiny logo, big. You know what? I'ma chill. AKA Light and El Touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you've been coronafied. So you now gonna hit this blunt? Stop playing, bro. We smoking personals. Yo, if you smoking in a cipher, you're actively you're a super spreader. Stop passing L's. You're spreading. It's literal droplets. There's droplets on the end of the L. Stop. God damn. Don't try to pass me the L, B. I'm not gonna smoke it. And don't be offended if I don't. AKA Tom Brady, I got my balls more deflated. Bobby Kraft. We the Table Shower Boys. Once table showers are back in, safe to use. AKA Field Ass Tyson, you know what I'm saying? I won't explore your cosmos with consent, of course. AKA Lil Snoozy Ver, first nigga to tap on live. Been doing the social distancing shit before Rona, you know what I'm saying? Because I have social anxiety. AKA Frino Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bennyfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you.
Uh-oh.
To smoke with me.
Where at
Mama Sushi.
Nice.
When it reopens in 2040, or you can smoke with me and them 2 police. Nah, don't do that. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. Donald Trump just ran past my office screaming butt naked. I don't know what's going on here anymore. I really got to get back to neurosurgery. I'm out of here. This is wild. AKA I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. It's got AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Neo Brown, shut the Carter down. AKA live harassing patrons eating al fresco. It's the East Stream Mouse DVB doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and top sick love. Don't let me lead. You know what I'm saying? It's a weekly event, mate. Out to inform you, just as my brothers and sisters has to inform you, and I have to inform you as well, to arrest the cops that killed Breonna Taylor, that murdered her in cold blood. There's only 2 rock stars left in this world, the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, handing out masks to the people in public, cause I'm trying to be socially responsible, mate. Stop the super spread, you know what I mean? AKA, I met Mike Francis, I'm never gonna fail, you know what I'm saying? AKA, get those bubble buckets and rocking the quarantine froski. It's Barmelos Anthony! Bang! In the bubble, you love to see it. Yo, listen, man, if you see me in Target, dog, and you're closer than 6 feet, approach me like a motherfucker Ursine mammal, dog, because I might react erratically. You know what I'm saying? You might not like that. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Petty and the Ball Breaker. AKA, hey kids, whoa, it's Benzo the Clown. We're not doing Zoom parties anymore, guys. It's okay for me to come see your kids in person. Mr. Fun's super excited about that.
Hey kids, don't worry. I've been tested clean. I took the test back in I want to say 05, so I don't know if it's still... I can just say whatever.
Yeah, it's good. He's good.
I mean, none of the kids I touched before have come up, you know.
Whoa! Hey, you weren't supposed to say that. sorry, Mr. Madison.
I'm talking about COVID.
We're gonna go back in the van. We gotta get some stuff out of the van. Let's go. Bye. Whoa. Okay, so Fake Leans, your favorite SoundCloud rapper, dog. I don't even know what the fuck is going on. Desus got like he said earlier in the episode, he got a brand new a bunch hella Clorox wipes. I'm gonna drive down there tonight. I'm gonna grab them. I'm gonna throw some fruit punch in the container, and then I'm gonna just serve it. Put up a lemonade stand for all y'all SoundCloud rappers. You know what I'm saying? And y'all will enjoy that. Hasan, ha llegado la hora. Tírame la fucking pita, coño. Oye, que lo que guau, coño. Llegó los institutos FIFA, coño, más loco todo. El tubacoco, el matatán. El último capítulo, el final. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a toda mi gente. Shout out a primeramente, shout out Cash App. You know what I'm saying? Que está proveyendo los cuartos para esta vaina. Shout out Showtime. You know what I'm saying? Que está poniendo comida en la boca a todo el mundazo. Y shout out Víctor Marte, que está aquí maquinando y diciendo de lo de él. Shout out Hasan Hussein, que pone la fucking nota. Shout out Desus bueno. La otra mitad. You know what I'm saying? La nota jamaquina. You know what I'm saying? Shout out la nena de la bodega, la más dura, la planta, la insuperable, la que está en el Zoom hasta durmiendo. No le importa un carajo hasta que yo lo que ella no se despierta. Shout out Vicky, la más loca de todo, piecito de miel, fuego pastelín, y está enrolando algo que no se debe enrolar ahora mismito en lo que estamos grabando. Shout out presidente Pío, secretario de defensa activo con el cañón, avísame que lo suelto. Shout out, llegó mi hermano friki. 12 años por no ser boca floja, y lo voy a seguir diciendo. Que descanse en paz, mi hermanito Sexor, mi hermanito Same, mi Same, triple P, para arriba, tú sabes qué es lo que es. Quédate en la casa, lávate las manos, distancia social, mi gente, 6 pies o más. You know what I'm saying? Por favor, arresten los asesinos de Breonna Taylor inmediatamente. Muchas gracias. Episodio 215, me quité ya.
Episode 215, you know the fucking vibes. You know this is. Be sure to check out the show on Showtime. The show late night. Desus and Mero still banging at you.
You know what I'm saying?
Be sure to hit a Bodega Hive for tickets still available for the virtual tour. Best virtual tour going on since Travis Scott hit Fortnite. Excuse me. And be sure, listen, new in town. You know what I'm saying, bro? Hit me up 917-540-8971. If it's not me, it's free, bro. So check that shit out. Until next week, we're out, bro.
Yeah. You love it.
Outlaws only. Sorry.
Yeah.